In this video, I will show you how to import dependencies in Remix. First, I will show you how to import a dependency hosted on GitHub. Let's say you want to import the ERC20 contract from the OpenZeppelin library. In Remix, you can reference the GitHub URL after the import statement. And now you can reference the imported symbols. It's recommended to import a specific version, otherwise you will get the latest version of the master branch. To import a specific version, in the import URL, replace master by the version that you want. Next, I will show you how to import a dependency hosted on NPM. Let's take the example of the ERC20 contract from OpenZeppelin. In Remix, you can reference the NPM URL after the import statement. And now you can reference all the imported symbols. And once again, it's recommended to import a specific version. Now you know how to import dependencies in Remix. That's it for this video.